So this week we're gonna be talking about protein. What is your favorite source of protein? It can be, they give you lots of different examples in here.
The Google math break right now to find out how many grams of protein are right for you.
Do you guys wanna try to figure it out?
Sure.
Do you guys know how much you weigh?
Yeah.
Kanya is my instructor for small bites. Being able to work with a medical student is really cool because we both are learning something new at the same time.
My mom passed away about 7 years ago of cancer. When my mom got sick, I saw the impact that doctors made on her. They really were a support system, were her rock, and that gave me the last little push that I needed to go to medical school. Like you would think about this similar to a cardiac output, and then cardiac output is determined by stroke volume and heart rate,
Yes.
right? On both sides of my family, I have predisposition to diabetes, heart disease, cancer. We're learning about how much diet can impact your risk factors for getting these diseases. When I was younger, my mom did cook most of our meals, and there was dinner on the table every night. And then when she passed away, it was kind of my turn to start learning how to make my own meals. And pasta was there and easy, so I would eat it once or twice a day, not many vegetables. And that kind of became a habit that lasted for the past 7 years. I'm learning about nutrition now, but having such a packed schedule and trying to eat healthy, that's been hard. I need to make a change.
One of our main stars of the day, cauliflower. Lots of cancer-fighting properties. It's also
I chose to take the class in culinary medicine to learn how to eat healthier myself. Oh yeah, it's got like a sweeter smell. I like that. If I make a change now and really eat healthy, I can prevent myself from getting these diseases or prolong how long I can live without them. Protein's really important to make sure you grow and build muscle, so if you don't have enough protein, then teaching the middle schoolers what we're learning in our class and maybe starting these habits younger in these kids can have a big impact down the line. What makes you make the choices you do?
If you're eating healthy but you still don't like the taste, you're not gonna eat as much as you need it. There's no exact amount of protein that is right for everyone.
In our neighborhood, there's a lot of junk food and not much healthy food, and that's a problem. My sister, Phoenix, loves French fries and sugary drinks and stuff. Me and Phoenix are twin sisters. I was born first, I'm the oldest. My mom, she works for streets and sanitation.
You're pushing, pulling, lifting all day. I've known I have arthritis in my hands and knees about 3 years.
She was getting aches and pains and not wanting to get up in the morning and being tired and things like that.
I can't let the arthritis prevent me from working because so many people are depending on me.
The doctor told my mom and my grandma to modify their meals.
Let's go. I would stop at fast food restaurants, eat in the car, we get home, we do the homework, go to bed faster. It made sense time-wise. You guys put your seatbelts on.
Okay.
And it dawned on me, how much am I spending? And it's not healthy food. Oh, it was like, boop, boop, wake up.
So I'm gonna start by giving each of you guys 4 cards. So the goal of the game is to get 4 cards that have the same combination of things on the bottom.
We're learning about healthy food. Half of your plate is supposed to be fruits and vegetables. A quarter is supposed to be protein, and another quarter is supposed to be grains. And it was just surprising.
I know what it is, but
Edamame.
this one is like a whole lot bigger. That's different.
This one tastes sweet. The other one didn't.
The other part of that one?
No, the one that I ate before.
Oh, interesting.
Learning about simple recipes gave me more confidence to be able to do it by myself.
Okay, so I have the list.
I like being in the produce section because it's the one place in the store where you don't have to worry about something being unhealthy for you.
And spinach.
What's left?
Chicken, frozen vegetables, tea, grapeseed oil, and...
I have to take the drive to get to the good grocery store, but I'm learning that healthy food is going to cost you if you buy it now, or it's going to cost you when you go to the doctor. So you decide.
When I was younger, I was under the misconception that if I was maintaining my weight, what I was putting in my body wasn't having an effect on it. Had I known how big of an impact what I ate has, I would have probably made a change a lot sooner. I realized that even if I can just add an extra serving of fruits or vegetables each day, slowly that will add up. I think if I had had a class like Peyton has when I was, in 7th grade, probably would have had a pretty big impact on the choices I continued to make as I grew up.
You don't have to be the top master chef, but you can actually cook something that's good and that's pretty easy to prepare also.
Some avocado oil.
I wanted her to fry the chicken tenders, but Peyton is about being healthy, so she chose to bake them.
Chicken is in. Could you and Phoenix start working on the salad?
I feel like Phoenix is more likely to eat healthier food if she helps prepare it.
Pretty common. Good job.
It's done. Yay! I'll give you some extra salad. Don't forget about your soup.
Being able to give them something that I prepared for them, that was really fun. They actually enjoyed it.
Let's try some of your avocado when you eat the chicken. Our forefathers and mothers didn't have access to health care. They had to use what Mother Nature offered. And it's really exciting to know that the medical field is now seeing that we are our own first health care provider.
Stop. Stop.